Time is the invisible force in all of our lives. We watch it, chase it, waste it. But today, I'm going to build it. I'm going to do this by fusing this old hard drive that doesn't work with this clock component kit by Bambu Labs. Just kidding, we found a 3D printed file. Bambu Lab clock component kit K011. I was planning on making a 3D print out of this, but I actually found one on MakerWorld already. It is going to be the hard drive clock. And here you can see reviews on what people said about this. It's kind of a cool, intricate design, and I thought in memory of it and being a computer nerd and how I'm building a NAS that it only made sense to do that, so I just posted that video. Be sure to go to the channel and check it out. That's what I'm going to be doing, 3D printing a clock. So I just started the print on that hard drive clock, hoping to probably try to finish that today if I can. Trying to just do something a little bit different on a video again. You know, I think my production workflow has been a little bit slower, so I recently got the Lumix S9. I hope to be able to just record a little bit more content, be more dual purposed in a lot of the way I record things, keeping an extra camera just on hand when I need it. So looking forward to some future content coming out with us. Especially if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe for future content. And now for me piecing this together. So we have different part lists here. We're gonna have our body front here. This is gonna be our back body. It looks like this will go on the bottom. Our alignment block, this will go on the inside here. Probably gives it some weight too. We got our platter here. Our magnet, which is gonna be this guy. We got our arm, and this is gonna be our platter plate. First things first, I guess we're gonna unbox this, our clock component kit. And our clock kit. I believe these are almost identical to what you see in traditional clocks anywhere else. All right, so our guide says, place these two bodies together. Looks like this will actually go on the inside here of this little clip. So just like that, our hard drive body is pretty much complete. You can see we didn't have the best print quality here. It looks like our PETG has some stringing issues, probably humidity or whatever else. No biggie, these can always be burned off at a later time, but not too worried about print quality with this right now. It's gonna be something I wanna address though, going forward. All right, once we flip that over, we're gonna insert our clock module, like so. Insert clock movement through the back as shown. Ensure that a battery part is toward the center of the back and that movement sits within the alignment cutout. Yeah, that looks good to me. I thought this would be a little bit tighter in there, but nonetheless, it sits in there. We already did the block seat. While holding the clock movement in place, flip over the assembly and add the platter onto the shaft. I believe this will sit on the bottom of this, like so. Note that the alignment block prevents the front and back parts from rotating around the back shaft while also adding a small amount of weight to the bottom clock. Press the magnet onto the 3-pin body front until it sits flush. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. There we go, that's sitting flush. All right, add the read head. The arm can be attached in any position. Can be placed on the disc or just below it. Place the platter onto the clock shaft. Use a small brass washer and nut included with the clock kit. Recheck part fitment and alignment and then tighten firmly. Oh boy, this is a pain to get out of here. just hand tightening that. They don't give you no tools or anything else for it, so I'm not really sure what the rubber washer is for. Doesn't say anything about that on here. Then I could use our original hands, or I printed these ones. I think I'm gonna go with the ones that I printed. Press the hour hand into place. And the seconds hand, or the minutes hand. These aren't in all the way though. I don't want to ruin it either. Don't want to be damaging this. Guess that was placed down all the way. My guess is you want them aligned as close as possible. Oh snap, don't want to damage that. Just a little test here on the clock. I guess I'm gonna ditch those for now because they're not really the best print for this. And I just bent my time hands. Great. Oh my gosh. What else could go wrong with this, huh? These bend really easy. I guess that's good to know. Be delicate if you're planning on doing this. You do not want to do what I just did. This is kind of embarrassing. Yo, this kid's no joke. Firmly press that, then the minutes hand, and the seconds. Not the prettiest, but I guess it works. The only thing left to actually do is pull out a handy dandy battery. Trusty Amazon Basics. Voila. Put it to the accurate time I have here. Bing bada boom. Working hard drive clock.